que get cerveza, not beer.
I could go to the market. We still gotta hook up the fryer. We gotta get rid of the steam
No,
table.
baby. By the time you get back, I'm gonna have this all spotless and cleaned up for you. I got a lot of marinating to do. I promise these people the best sandwich of their lives. Come on.
Good. So,
Give me the mojo.
okay, so what do you need? Oranges, onion, garlic.
That's right. Why don't we juice it up a little bit, huh?
Tomatillo,
Some chilies, yeah,
chilies, I
cilantro.
got
Get
you,
out, now
cilantro.
get out.
Come on.
Get the hell out of here.
El Pingon, let's go. Okay, look, the key is you gotta look for ingredients, and then that gives you ideas of what to cook. Like this is yuca, right? Get some of that. Those look great. See that? And, oh, come here. You know what this is?
Bananas.
That's called the plantain, plátanos. These are maduros. Feel it soft? That's the sweet kind. But we want the green ones. Here, hang on to this. This is what you make tostones with. That's Martin's favorite.
I got it.
You got it?
I got it.
Too much?
I got it.
Okay. Watch out for tarantulas. Come on.
What?
Si, do, re, do, si, do, la, do, re, mi, re, do, si, la, sol, si, la. Sí, hipócrita ya, cuenta las cosas atrás. Tú y tú debes de aprender, tú y tú de mí cada cual. Si es así, comprende que sí, cada cual tiene su vivir.
Oh, look at that. Oh, yeah. My masterpiece, baby.
It's beautiful.
Miami, I am back. Pow.
You could have just bought this at the store. I think they sold it there.
You sure that's your son, man? Better get a paternity test.
Oh, look at that. Look at that. Can I get a little of
Can I have some? Please, just give me some.
that? It's not from the store. You might
It's
not.
fatty,
I don't
but
care.
not
Just
heavy,
please
you know?
Give it to me. Guys, give it to
No,
me.
no, you don't want any of this.
Yes,
man.
I do.
You're probably a vegan anyhow. You can't eat this.
I'm not vegan.
It's not from the store.
Oh,
Martin, come on, Martin, can I
my.
have
Wait,
some?
man.
Hold on a second.
Come on.
Can I give him a piece?
Nah,
Martin?
man, he's not. All right,
Just a
all
little
right. Let me
piece.
think
Just a little
about it.
piece. Let's see.
Pretty good.
Pretty good.
Pretty good? Better than
Pretty
the store?
good. Come on.
One more. Just one more.
That's the best shit you ever had in your life. Come on, man.
Here.
Oh, give me another one. If you're gonna give him something, give me. Say,
I
don't
want
be
some.
cheap.
Hang on.
No, I want more.
You know what? Let's make some sandwiches.
Yes, sir. Yes,
All
sir.
right,
Let's
good.
get
Ready?
Let's get
Ready
to
to go?
it.
Rather-
Hey, little man, is the plancha red hot? Huh?
Me?
No, I'm talking to the grill. Yeah, you.
Can we touch it?
Well, what do you think?
No.
That's right. No, genius.
Yeah, look.
I
Look,
know.
Come over here. Look. See this water? Bang. Is it hot?
Yes.
Tell him it's hot.
It's hot.
Okay.
Is it as hot as your daddy's underwear?
Boom. Now watch. Come over here.
Here we go, Bobby. Perfecto,
not.
perfecto.
Now watch me. Watch what I'm doing.
2 slices of ham, 3
There
of
it is.
pork.
There it is. Now
Now the
come
maestro.
over here. 2 slices of cheese. 1, 2, 2 pickles.
Veggie pickles.
Big pickles. Nice. 1, 2. Now watch this. Take this. Mustard from end to end.
Okay.
You go side to side, not forward and back. Now, this is the most important part. This is what makes it a cubano.
Okay.
Take the butter. See that?
Yeah.
On top. Take a little bit. Butter the griddle. In. Just like that. Now watch. I want you to watch for the bread to get golden. I want you to watch for the cheese to melt. When that cheese is melted and that bread's golden but not burnt, you call me, you tell me it's done, and we'll check, okay?
Okay.
Keep an eye on it. I want you to watch everything that everybody's doing because when we're hopping, you're gonna have to jump in on the line and help
Okay.
out.
I think it's done.
You think it's done?
Oh, look at that.
Okay, see how golden that is? That's how you want it to be every time.
Nice
You gotta be
job.
like a robot when you're on the line.